Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 102 of Building the Batmobile Tumbler from Hachette and Warner Brothers, DC. And I don't know, who made the films? I want to say Warner Brothers, but I could be wrong. Anyway, looking through the magazine, we have a car for the new millennium, the 2000 Batman, 25 years ago. That is very scary. 2000 shouldn't be 25 years ago. Should still be the future. There we go. Death of Damien. I don't know who Damien is. Death in the family. The death of the demise of the second Robin. Oh, another Robin dead. There we go. Keep getting through Robins. Super Sons. Interesting. Okay, there we go. Damien's return to life. Oh, he got better. Right, so this is the start we're doing now. The backplate and fuel valve gauges. I'm not sure what they are. They are fuel valves, obviously. And the gauges for the said fuel valves, no doubt, because you should always put these on the back of your car rather than inside where you might need it. So we're easily slipping in a couple of valves there and a couple of gauges on that side. And that's it. That's nice and easy. It won't take very long to do the building on this, and I don't need to get the whole car out, so it's nice and easy. No weightlifting required. So let's get straight to this. And then I think next time we've got the emergency air brake chassis, which we're going to be putting this onto, I would assume. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it together. Yes, so this is what we've got today. We've got our metal bracket for the thing, which is going to go that way up. We've got these two, which go in that side. They don't matter which way up they go. They just push into place. Say they don't matter which way round. No, there is no flat side, but there is a good tight fit. So we get both of those pushed in there. I think I can push them in a little bit further as well. I worry about that down the line. I might need to get a pair of pliers out on those to really push them in place. These we do have to get the right way up because they are gauges. They do have a scale on them. They're going on the two holes on the other side. So we'll get them in like that. They can rotate a bit anyway. So we'll get them in. Got this picture to easily show. Yeah, the dials should be going off in that general direction. So about there. Not that you're really going to be able to see these anyway after the fact. There we go. That is that. So I'll get those two pushed in a bit further as well. But that is all of this issue completed. The next time, as I say, we're moving on to build this out to be a bit bigger over the next few issues, and then I think fit it to the car, but I could be wrong about that. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.